Home row 5, numpad 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. The keyboard is working properly. However, what we're seeing in the render is not correct. But this keyboard listener code is going to help us diagnose the problem. In the down event for the editor mode, we want to know if we're touching the numpad. And if it's a number 0 to 9, we're going to zero out that value to get a value 0 to 9 inclusive. If we are between 1 and 9 inclusive, that is a key that's going to map directly to a certain level pack within the DOM. This is the top left level pack, the bottom right level pack. Extrapolate the rest for yourself. We want to map a given level pack to an XY cell coordinate. And here's how we're going to do that. We have a little table here. This is the XY for the bottom left. This is the XY for the top right. And these are the respective number keys. Here's the math for fetching out the cell X and cell Y. Once we have the cell X and cell Y, we can snap our off-screen data viewport to the respective level pack that we want to zoom in onto. This is what we did in the previous tutorial. This is what we did in this tutorial. You can get the source code for this video here. You have been on this playlist. Like and subscribe.